Hello everyone, Grammar here, and in this video I'm going to teach you guys three settings that if you turn on these three settings, YouTube is going to suggest your videos to more and more viewers. What I want you guys to understand is that there's a difference between YouTube recommending your videos and YouTube suggesting your videos. YouTube recommendation usually comes naturally from YouTube. So let's say you made a video about, let's say, how to cook a pancake. For instance, anyone that searches up how to cook a pancake, YouTube will recommend your videos amongst the videos that are related to such SEO. So, whereas suggestion is something that you are in control of by turning on these three settings, and these three settings are interlinked. So, therefore, I want you guys to pay close enough attention to each and every one of the settings. Basically, this video is going to be a couple of minutes, and it could be the video that is going to change your videos from getting the very low views to your videos. So the blowing first up. Thing first, you're gonna have to create a playlist, and I'm gonna explain why later on in the video. But playlists are important. What I want you to do is when you want to create the playlist, make sure you get videos that are similar on your channel. Let's say you make videos on cooking. All the videos related to cooking should have a playlist. All the videos related to maybe helping people grow their audience or something like that should have a playlist. So whatever category you're on, make sure you have several playlists on your YouTube channel. And like I said, I'm gonna explain why I said. Guys, the second setting is going to be end screen, which is the video that is going to be suggested on the screen at the end of your video. So I'm going to add some for this video as well. And usually if you see big creators at the end of their videos, you're going to see another video on their channel is going to pop up on the screen, either with a playlist or just a subscribe button. So I'm going to show you guys how you're going to do that. In order to do it, you have to go to YouTube Studio Chrome. It cannot be done with the YouTube Studio mobile. I'm going to show you guys through a screen record. Guys, in order for these three settings to be turned on, you're going to have to go to YouTube Studio Chrome. And what I want you to go to, first of all, is to scroll to this side, content. All right. I'm going to go turn on the settings to my latest video, which is this one, the truth about copying successful YouTubers. I'm going to just click on the video. There we go. And then we're going to scroll down to the bottom right corner, and where you see end screen, this is going to be our first setting, the end screen. We're going to click on this little pencil button, and we have the elements here. End screen is the video that YouTube recommends, allows you to, once you turn on this setting, you can choose any video from your channel that will be recommended at the end of your video. So you have different formats. You got one video, one subscribe. You got two videos, one playlist, one subscribe. So I really recommend you should go for one video, one playlist, and one subscribe, which is the last one at the bottom right here. And this is how the format is going to look. This is how the format is going to look. So we're going to click on this video, and here it says either most recent upload or best for viewers. I'll say choose specific video is the best option. We're going to choose specific video, wait for it to load, which allows us to choose a video from our channel. So let's say, for instance, don't quit. I'm gonna choose this one. There, as you can see, it's already added. Now for the playlist, we're going to tap on playlist, and let's choose our playlist. YouTube growth is the playlist that I'm going to add. There, drag this all the way to the end here. Yeah, that is the perfect place to position it. Remember, any settings you change here, you have to click on save, otherwise it won't save. So click on save. There, the setting is done. So now once you watch this video on my channel, Be Yourself, Don't Copy, you're going to see that at the end there will be recommendations of my other videos and playlists. Now, the last setting is also going to be done on YouTube Studio Chrome, and it's called cards. So let's say as you're watching this video, you scroll down, you're going to see other videos from my channel being suggested to you. If you do not turn on these settings, these videos won't be suggested to you under this video. So that is another way you can get your videos to be pushed out by turning on these settings. So make sure you pay close enough attention. The third settings is also cards, which is right under the end screen. Cards is something that if you turn on, let's say while you're watching this video currently, as you scroll down, you may see other videos from my channel, other videos from this channel. So in order for you to turn on these settings, you're going to click on cards, click on videos, choose a video, any video, let's see, any video. I'm gonna go with why you should start. You have multiple choices, and you can place it anywhere from either beginning of the video. We need a lot of cards so that while people are scrolling as they're watching this video, they can see more of my content from this channel. So we're going to click on more cards, video again. Let's say, let me put one of my streams. This one is a fun stream, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that. Let's scroll down. Yeah, it's perfect. I like the position. Let's go back up, select maybe a playlist, click on cards, playlist, choose a playlist, give it a moment. There we go, growth. There we go. Click on cards again, maybe video again. So this is very, very useful when it comes to vlog. Let's put my vlog there. You can space them out as much as you want and click on save. So like I said, what that does is and there, these are the settings, guys. These are the settings. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. If you're new, subscribe. And guys, this channel now offers channel membership, so anyone that wants to support me to improve the overall quality of my videos and everything, you can go ahead and purchase the membership or send me any donation through my buy me a coffee application. If you enjoyed the video, like I said, give it a like. If you're new, subscribe, and I'm going to share more tips for you guys in the next video. Peace out.